My name's James and I'm the founder and product designer of Cherub Baby.
I'm Ryan and I look after the operations side.
And I'm the boss.
Like any parent, there's always ups and downs. I think they're quite special.
There's an opportunity for us to help parents just on their everyday journeys. I think what parents really care about more than anything is that it just has to work. Everyone's too busy to deal with complicated, and I think that's a real key behind what we do. They grow up so fast.
Any time that we can give back to parents to be able to spend more time with their kids, I think is a win for us. Making sure that they look good as well, you know. It's always nice to use a product that's functional but also looks nice.
Being conscious of the planet is something that we take really seriously. We've always kept our roots in Australia, our head office is in Australia, all of our support team, our warehouse team is all based in Melbourne. From the feedback that we get from parents and the community that use our products, we really value it and we're really grateful that they're here for us along our journey.